If you're one of the lucky ones, there comes a time in your life when you know exactly what you want. You want volume and open plan. You want stylish finishes and fittings. You want a bit of contrast here and just the tiniest bit of glitter there. And on a beautiful day, you want to open the doors and let the outdoors in. You know us by now. I'm Melanie, and Sarah's going to show you this beautiful house. This is our video invitation to you. Call us. Let's talk about what you want.